The pharmaceutical sector has been given a shot in the arm after the World Trade Organization had finally given in on the trade-related aspects of intellectual property rights waiver on the manufacturing of COVID-19 vaccines.
We had to get used to
Trade, Industry and Competition Minister Ebrahim Patel says this is a very significant moment.
We now have an agreement that covers the right of developing countries to use the intellectual property for vaccines, for vaccine ingredients, for vaccine processes, for all the things that go into the making of a vaccine, and to do it without necessarily getting the permission of the patent holder.
The government says this will also scale up production on the continent, and further partnerships will be needed, including access to know-how and technologies.
We have found that there's a lot of warmth and openness by other African countries to source their vaccines from the limited African producers at the moment. We have an African vaccine initiative, AVAT, which is in fact prioritizing procuring from African suppliers.
Meanwhile, as the Russia-Ukraine conflict continues, Agriculture Minister Thoko Didiza says South Africa does have a sufficient amount of food to cater for its citizens, but they are very concerned about steep food prices.
I would say at the moment, in terms of food security, we are okay as a country. The issues that we are concerned about is indeed the prices that have shot up, which put strain on a number of people, particularly our communities. That's one of the challenges.
The TRIPS waiver will last for a period of 5 years, and South Africa says there will be a massive campaign to make sure that the COVID-19 vaccines are sourced in our shores. Khayelihle Khumalo, SABC News, Kempton Park.